Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and for those that love this, simple ways. Now, what we're talking today about is your chrome tailpipes. If you have chrome or stainless steel, I'm going to share with you how to make them beautiful. And of course, at the end of it, when you're all done, you'll want to use the ceramic coating on them that we use, and you won't ever have to do this again. That's the key. Now, we're doing this video for a great subscriber who's been with us for years. Carrie Rogers asked about doing this, so we're going to do it. I'm going to give you a couple different bad exhaust tips and how to make it look beautiful. What we got here, it's real dirty. You can see down here all the soot that's built up, all that. Now, we're going to use this special mix, which we have a video for that, and you're wondering why is my mother's have a blue tint to it. And there's a reason behind that, because we mix it with this stuff right here, okay? And you can get the mix on this on a video we did using this, okay? So just look at this video right here. Hey Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Now, we're going to take a clean, dirty rag and get the soot and garbage off, because you don't want it on your buffing pads. We just take a little bit of this right here, smear it on, and it's already starting to clean it off. And we take our handy dandy, which is this little rig right here. This is the best little tool you'll ever use, and I'm not kidding you. It's got 2 speeds, and all you have to do is this. Now, these are stainless steel, but it works great for chrome and aluminum, even better. And the cool part about this mixture right here is that you can do it on your paint, and if it hits the paint, it doesn't hurt anything, because this is all we use to buff and polish everything from headlights to paint. It doesn't matter. We'll take scratches out of your clear coat like you've never seen before. So we're not worried about it if we hit the paint. Doesn't hurt a thing. So now what we're going to do is get up in here. Oh, and I got some really bad news. Bad news. My wife said that if I don't quit doing videos for Sweet Project Cars, she was going to leave. I'm truly going to miss her. I'm just kidding. All right, now the cool part is I can get in here. This saves you a lot of time and hassle. You can use the side of the buffer here to get up in the rig. All right, so that part's done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of our polishing compound, put it up on top, even though nobody sees it up there. We're going to put it up there. And we're going to take our really good microfibers. These are the best you can get as far as I'm concerned. And we will turn this into a little buffing shoe polisher like you do for shoes. You may have to get down on your belly like a reptile, but it works. You just do this number. Now we have a little bit left on there right there, and you can see how much grime was on it. Now we're going to go up under here, and this keeps them from rusting too. And make sure that you spray your Loctite on the back sides. I see a little tiny rust on the back side of this exhaust tip that's trying to come in, so we'll spray our rust stop on it. Alrighty, and it doesn't take much rubbing to get this stuff to shine and look beautiful. Now we'll take another microfiber, buff it up. Now on the inside, I'm going to just clean it, the soot and stuff out of there with this clean dirty rag. Now I have a great bonus for you. Make sure you watch the entire video. There's a great bonus at the end of it. And for all of you that like to skip through the videos and then you start asking questions and commenting because you didn't get it, all you got to do is spend a few minutes, watch the video, and make sure you're catching the Boomzilla videos. If you see anything with a bucket truck or a boom truck, want to watch those because I got some great stuff on them for you. We're teaching you some wisdom, giving you some wisdom, and making you mechanically inclined. There you go. Look how shiny it is up here. It's just gorgeous. Let's go do the next one. All right, here's our next one. This is chrome and stainless steel. So we're going to do the same thing we did in there and actually wipe the soot off. You don't want that on your buffing pad. We got a little bit of because it's cheap stainless steel, got a little bit of rust starting right there. And I'll show you how to remove that. But like I said, if you use the ceramic coating that's in the tools list, you won't have to do this again. The soot and everything will just wash right off when you wash your car with a hose. Special mix. You don't need that much. I'm always doing it too much. And like I said, you want to catch the bonus at the end of this video. Here we go. Variable speed, so you can go slow or fast, and then this is the slowest speed. We can go up to 2 on it. And this tool is not just for doing this. This is for a million other things you want to use on your vehicle. And like I said, you can use the edge like this. Now this was actually had a little bit of burnt. This gets quite hot because it's straight pipe. There's no muffler on this rig. And it gets quite hot, and this is taking off all the yellow that was on this from getting hot. It'll look brand new when we're done. Now we're going to do the chrome. And like I said, if you hit the paint, no problem. The most versatile mix of polish you'll ever use. And make sure you share this video with those people out there you know love to work on their own cars. I mean, this thing is going to look just brand spanking new. All right, now we're going to take this pad off and we'll go with the fluffy pad. Next week, we're going to share with you how to buff the dullest base coat you've ever seen and make it look like it's been sprayed with clear coat. Now this is the one we had a little bit of the polishing compound on. We're going to use that to remove any of the dark black polish that was burnt into it. Now for the final. Tell me that's not beautiful. All right, here's your bonus for the end of the video. This is called Gravano Trim. It has a metal type look to it, kind of a light brown. If you have this, it stains up really easy and it spots up really bad. That's why one thing you really want to make sure you do is ceramic coat this so you don't have to monkey with this again. So all we do with this, we just put a little bit and we use the polishing wheel on it. And I'm telling you, this polishing compound is the bomb. Look at that. I'll let the camera lady do the scanning back and forth on that. It doesn't get any better than that, folks. And then once it's ceramic coated, we won't ever have to do the polishing again. GoPro, stop recording.